Today I'm going to show you a really simple, nifty little trick to shorten the length of your jeans without losing the original hem. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing really well and having a lovely day. I thought I would do a really quick sewing tutorial for you today. We all have had that time where we want to take up the hem of our jeans. It's one of those jobs that just get left and left and left, but this is a really simple way of doing it, and it means you get to keep the original hem of your jeans. When jeans are made, they usually sandblast the hem of your jeans, which gives it that distressed look. If you were to cut off that original hem and just do a double fold style hem, you're not going to get that distressed edge. You're just going to get a plain denim edge. So if you want to keep your distressed edge, then this is the way to do it. So I want to take my jeans up by 2 centimeters. So try on your jeans, pin them up, figure out how much you want to take your jeans up by, and then divide that number by 2. For example, I'm going to take these up by 2 centimeters. I'm going to fold the hem up so that it's right sides together, and I'm going to divide the number that I want to take my jeans up by 2. So in this instance, if I want to take my jeans up by 2 centimeters, I'm going to divide it by 1, and I'm going to measure 1 centimeter from that folded edge to this edge of the original hem. So it's this wrong side of the fabric bit. We're going to measure 1 centimeter all the way along and pin in place. It's a good idea when you are sewing with denim to switch the needle in your machine to a jeans or a denim needle. It's just got a bit more strength to it. It's a little bit sturdier for thicker fabrics. Once you've pinned your hem in place, we're going to take it to the sewing machine and we are going to sew really close to this edge of the original hem. So take it nice and slowly. You can use that as a little bit of a guide, and we're going to sew all the way along in that little dip there. Being able to do little tricks like this with a pair of ready-to-wear jeans is so handy. Jeans can be really hard to get the fitting right. I definitely struggle, one with length sometimes, but also with getting the fit right across my back, across the waist. But luckily I have another tutorial coming up in a few weeks where I'm going to show you a nifty little way of taking in the waistband of your jeans. Really quick, easy, making it elasticated so that it fits your back better. So stay tuned for that one as well. When you come to the side seams, it can be a little bit bulky, so slow it way down. Use your hands to sort of push the fabric and pull a little bit on the other side, but take it really gently because the presser foot is going to start lifting up and you just want it to go really slow. Otherwise it'll get stuck and you'll just end up going over and over the same section of fabric and you'll end up with a knot of thread at the back, which you definitely don't want. So we're just coming to the end, so I'm going to do a back stitch, take it out and cut away the threads on both sides. Now you can either, it depends how much fabric you've taken up. If there's a lot, you can cut off the excess by down to about 1 centimeter and use your overlocker to finish the raw edges. But as this is just 1 centimeter, all I'm going to do now, obviously I'm going to do the other leg as well, but I'm going to turn that in and I'm going to give it a really, really good press with the iron, pressing this edge that we've just sewn up towards the leg of the jeans, not towards the hem. And I'm going to press it all the way along. And that is pretty much it. So I will do the other leg, give them a press, and then I'll show you the finished results. I have a real love-hate relationship with jeans. I love wearing them. I hate shopping for them. They never seem to fit exactly the way I want them to do, which is why being able to either sew your own jeans from scratch or use the sewing machine to create little hacks like this to make the jeans fit you better really does feel like a bit of a superpower, if I'm honest. Right, on to sewing the next leg. So there you have it. There is one finished re-hemmed pair of jeans, and unless anyone is going to be looking with a magnifying glass at your ankles, I don't think anyone is going to notice that there is a new seam line above that hem. I think that's really cool, really nifty, really, really smart. Now, whether or not you want to keep your new superpower a secret, I will leave that up to you. Otherwise, you might have lots of people asking you to rehem your jeans, but I'll leave that at your discretion. Let me know in the comments if you found this useful and if you would like any other little tips and tutorials from me in the future, and I will see what I can come up with. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you all really soon. Bye!